Hello and welcome to another King Joe's unboxing videos. Well, I got guests today. My godson Chris is here with his girlfriend Jamie. And she's very shy, so don't worry about it. But we'll get right back to the unboxing. Because we're going to go upstairs and watch a classic comedy movie called Norbit. Jamie never saw it. And I like my Norbit. Well, actually, my little one likes Norbit.
No, don't tell me you farted.
Okay.
Norbit, got bubble wrap?
You have the bubble wrap. What else is new?
Bubble wrap. My bubble wrap. I got it. Bubble!
Shush.
I broke it.
You broke it.
I'm not stronger than you.
And this is
Vampirilla.
okay, people. I got Vampirilla issue 64. You see it good?
Yeah.
Vampirilla 83. Vampirilla 89. Vampirilla 84. Vampirilla 73. Vampirilla 66. Vampirilla 34. And Vampirilla 32.
Who specifically cares about Vampirilla?
Who specifically cares? I like Vampirilla. There's guys out there that like Vampirilla.
Well, whoever likes Vampirilla with the zombie person is kinda a doofus.
Kinda a doofus. Flex.
Maybe you're kind of a doofus.
Yeah, you're kind of a doofus.
Boom.
People like what they like. You gotta learn to like, not everybody's the same. That's what makes this country great.
That's what makes you beautiful.
No. I tell you, people must like, using up old boxes. I don't know.
Nah. Nope. Nope.
Don't make me yell.
Yeah, you won't like him when he's angry. I wonder if Jamie knows what television show that's from.
What?
You won't like me when I'm angry.
Yes.
What?
The whole.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello? John! Pick up the phone! It's Sissy!
Never a dull moment in the Carnivale house.
Did you take it?
Never a dull moment.
John!
Go upstairs.
Go upstairs. I don't need
pick
you
up?
yelling all over this video.
Nana! Did he pick? I yelled for him, but he didn't pick it.
Go upstairs and get him. Go upstairs.
Okay, what the heck? Did you take your anger pills today?
Did you take a chill pill today is what you mean. Thank God she corrected herself.
Okay, more Vampies. Got Vampirilla 77. Yes, I'm working on Vampirilla. Issue 91. With nice Empire Strikes Back. I got issue 94. And if you already saw this, I got a double. I got 84, that's a double. And it's got a water stain, so I already know this one will be the one I'll trade away. And I got issue 85, which has a water stain, which is a double. So, I got two doubles out of this section. Well, there's all my doubles anyway. Let's see what's in this bag. Okay.
You're making the chair tip over.
I got Vampirilla 78.
I love Vampirilla.
Nice Lord of the Rings back on the end. Vampirilla 79. Vampirilla 108. Well, this, I didn't know if this was like this. Shit. Oh. Well, these books here, I'm not even going to put in my collection.
Why?
The covers are ripped off.
So?
He put down, he said, very good, though. Oh, man, they're poor.
Nope, they're no
Vampirilla
good.
76. And the last box, I already know this ain't going to be a comic book.
Why not?
Because it's from Eagle Moss.
Well.
Eagle Moss.
Moss. Senor.
Parts to my chess set. Okay.
Eagle.
They sent me the whole bloody thing. I just only need the magazine. Yeah, because when they sent me the magazine, the back page was ripped.
Why?
I have no clue. But it was a tear going right across here. So now I called them up. I wrote them a letter. And I told them, I said, you know, I have a thing. I said, the Enterprise D that I got for my Starship collections for Star Trek, I want to know if that came in a magazine. And I told them about the Venom piece, the chess piece. I said, well, I said I need a replacement magazine because the back of my magazine is ripped.
Dude, is that
So what will end up happening is the Venom one here will be a double.
Can I have it? Thank you.
I only need the magazine. And I also asked them, you know, what's up with the Batman Automobilia because I have 1 through 29. And I start the collection on issue 30, but I also told them when I got the subscription, I want the specials purchased, and I needed the magazine. So.
Open, you stupid thing.
But that does it for this edition of King Joe's Collectibles. And as always, I thank you for viewing and subscribing. King Joe out.